So the bottom line, technology is not the solution to everything. And I'm not here to say that technology is the solution. I think we need to look at things slightly differently and understand technology is not the solution. Teachers, lecturers are the solution. What technology is an opportunity. And when we see technology in the right place, it changes everything. It's not something we throw at the problem. We have to think about the problem and how we can use this tool like we would have used any tool prior to it. That is what this approach is all about. So the approach that we're going to be looking at today is called the activated classroom teaching approach. And basically it is a taxonomy, an arrangement of pedagogies that are very easy to apply in the classroom. We're going to look at each of these. We're going to look at curation, how curation is about bringing lots of things together into one place and how effective that is as a teaching method. We're going to look at conversation, how we can actually engage in a conversation in this environment, whether there was 10, 20 or 100 of you, and we'll see how that gets your brains ignited. We're going to look at the power of learning through mistakes and the power of correction as a pedagogy. We're then going to look at creation as a pedagogy, how when you create artifacts, it improves your memory, your recall. And the top one, we're going to have a little fun thing right at the end. We're going to experience a little bit of stress and chaos to finish you off and head you out.